Today's video is going to be on how to create this super easy micro French mani at home. This is my current nail condition. This is a snapshot of some of the tools you might need to complete this. I will also list the products down below which I have used. I'm going to start off by removing my polish. If polish isn't removed completely, repeat this step until it's removed. Remember, we always want a fresh canvas. Next, I'm going to shape and buff my nails. I like the Squoval look, but you can determine which shape you like. There's also square and oval. This is the buffing portion. Next, I'm going to apply Cuticle Softener. This softens and helps remove dead flaky cuticle. Next, I'm going to use this bowl. I'm going to fill it with water and an antibacterial hand soap. I'm going to soak each hand for 5 minutes. I'm also going to exfoliate in circular motions around my cuticles, up my fingers, up my arm to my elbow, and I would repeat this 3 times. This is going to help circulation within the hand and the arm, and then I will dry. Now I am loosening up my cuticles and I'm going to trim them afterwards. Next, I'm applying nail oil. Nail oil softens the cuticle and also hydrates them. I'm going to give myself a little massage just because I really like massages. It does amazing things. It's going to stimulate circulation, tone your muscles. It's going to help relieve soreness and stiffness, in your joints, in your muscles. And it's also going to strengthen your connective tissues. Now that I've finished my massage, I'm going to clean under my nails. After all of that's done, I'm going to remove all traces of oil with polish remover. Now it's time to polish. I'm going to apply the base layer. This is applied first to smooth the nail surface, and it helps colored polish to adhere evenly and prevents the polish from staining nails. I'd leave this on for 2 to 5 minutes before polish applications. Next, I am using a white nail polish. I am going to use the white to go over the edge of my nail. So as you can see, I kind of made a little bit of a mess underneath the nail. I am going to use nail polish remover with a brush to just clean it up. But I actually found a better solution in the next part of the video that I'll show you. An easier step, I have just applied tape underneath all my nails, and then I can apply the French tip. It is way better and less messy. I am applying a sheer nail polish over my nail, but you can use a sheer nude or natural polish. You only need one coat. And lastly, I'd add a top coat to this sheer. So I just apply that top layer and seal the free edge, and then I'm done. So that is it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.